Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the mysteries of love and relationships. Today, we're exploring the dynamic duo of Virgo man and Taurus woman. These two earth signs have a lot in common, but what happens when they come together in a romantic relationship? Are they a match made in heaven, or is there trouble on the horizon? Get ready to find out, as we uncover the love compatibility between a Virgo man and a Taurus woman. So sit back, grab a drink, and join us on this journey as we explore the strengths, challenges, and the potential for a beautiful love story between these two zodiac signs. Stay tuned, as we take a deep dive into the love compatibility between Virgo man and Taurus woman. Virgo men are known for their practicality, intelligence, and attention to detail, while Taurus women are known for their stability, sensuality, and love for luxury. So, what happens when these two signs come together in a romantic relationship? Let's find out. One of the key aspects of their compatibility is the shared love for stability and security. Both Virgo men and Taurus women value stability in their lives and relationships, which can provide a strong foundation for their relationship to grow on. They also share a mutual love for luxury and comfort, making them both very compatible in this aspect. Virgo men are very analytical and detail-oriented, which can sometimes come across as critical to others. However, Taurus women are not easily intimidated and are more likely to appreciate the attention to detail that Virgos bring to their relationship. In return, Virgo men are likely to be drawn to the sensual and affectionate nature of Taurus women. In terms of communication, both signs value honesty and straightforwardness. However, Virgo men can sometimes struggle with expressing their emotions, while Taurus women may be more emotional in their communication style. With some patience and understanding, however, they can work together to find a way to communicate effectively and build a strong emotional connection. While there are some differences between these two signs, they complement each other very well and can create a strong and harmonious relationship. By supporting and understanding each other, a Virgo man and Taurus woman can build a long-lasting and fulfilling relationship. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.